Quick tutorial on how to build your VeeFriends Compete and Collect card deck for the Alpha Playtest tournament at the NCSS. You must have exactly 20 cards. In those 20 cards, you cannot have any duplicate characters. Aside from cores, you are allowed to have rares, very rares, epics, or spectaculars, but there is a limit to how many of those you can have, and that limit is enforced by what is called rarity points. You can see that in the paper I have here in the video. Each specific rarity is assigned a point value, and the max amount you can have in your deck can only add up to 15 rarity points. So you could have 3 spectaculars, as that would be 15. You could have 3 epics, as that would put you at 12. You could have 5 very rares, which would be at 15. You could have 7 rares, which would put you at 14, or any kind of mix and match, but as long as you are at or under 15 rarity points. So if you did 3 spectaculars, that puts you at your 15-point limit. The remaining 17 cards would have to be core cards, because core cards are considered a 0 rarity point hit to your rarity point cap. And that's really all the essentials to building your deck. 20 cards, you have a certain limit on rare plus cards, and then the rest will be cores.